Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable accessibility on Samsung M35 device. Well, accessibility features can boost productivity by providing tools that streamline tasks, improve efficiency, and facilitate communication. So, enabling accessibility features allows users to work more effectively, stay organized, and engage with digital content with greater ease and efficiency. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, open the settings menu on your device. So here, please scroll down to access the accessibility option. Okay, within this menu, enter to the interaction and dexterity section. So you can activate the assistant menu by pressing the designated button and click allow to enable this feature. Well, once the assistant menu is activated, you can access a variety of accessibility tools by tapping on the icon displayed on the screen. Okay, this menu provides quick access to essential accessibility features, making it easier to navigate and use your device effectively. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable accessibility on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.